Well, hey everybody, hey, what's up? It's Josh Greason coming to you live tonight from Forex Bootcamp. Doing my series of daily videos. It's been one video per day for 30 days. We've finished 26 videos already. Tonight is night 27. For those of you that are just tuning in, those other videos are amazing. You get a lot of content and value there if you want to go back and watch them. Hashtag Forex Trade 30, Forex Trade 30. And so there we go. What's the series of videos about? My Forex trading life. What does my Forex trading life look like? How does it fit in with my regular life? My full-time job, my wife and kids, my other hobbies, commitments, pursuits, dreams, goals, all that kind of stuff. Busy life, just like you. How do we fit in Forex trading life into that? What does it look like? What is the Forex? What is Forex trading? Why did I get into it in the first place? What am I hoping to get out of it? How do I multiply money? How much money can you make? How much time does it take? What was the education process like? How did I learn? What tools? What strategies? What software? Who's actually teaching me to do this and walking me from knowing nothing about the Forex 9 months ago to where I am now, to where I'm going to become a consistently profitable Forex trader in a world of financial freedom where I can do what I want, because that's what it's about. Not money for the sake of money, but money for the sake of the freedom that money can buy. All right, so you can do the things you love. I want to spend time with my family. I want to travel. I want to do other things. That's my goals. That's my why. I don't know what yours is, but think about what your why is. Why are you here? Why are you watching this? Why do you want to make extra money? Think about that why and how good of a route this could be. You'll learn here in the next few minutes if you haven't already started to pick it up from the rest of this series of videos if you've been watching them at all. Okay, so the company. I've talked about the company a lot. Some of you have maybe never heard me say the name. iMarketsLive is the company that I'm a part of. It's amazing company. And this is, to me, in the world, the best, by far, the best Forex trading package of education, tools, strategies, and mentoring that you will find anywhere, hands down, bar none. All right, so iMarketsLive. Let's do a little bit of background here about why this might be an interesting opportunity. This here, Robert Kiyosaki. He wrote the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a lot of other books you probably have heard of. He's a financial guru kind of thing. So he did this cash flow quadrant. And what you want to notice, I'll just kind of summarize real quick, is I know there's 4 blocks here, but you really want to look at the left half versus the right half. So the left half, you have employees and the self-employed. That group of people makes up 95% of the people that are out there are on that half. But that 95% of the people only make or have 5% of the money. 95% of the people make 5% of the money. On the right half of this quadrant right there, you have the business owners and the investors. They only make up the remaining 5% of the people, but they have the 95% of the money. 5% of the people, 95% of the money, right there on this side. Business owners, investors. I've been a business owner. There are pluses and minuses to it, but I remember the minuses more myself. I was just running myself ragged. I never got a break. I never got a vacation. I didn't have any benefits. I was doing everything, wearing all the hats, and it was like owning a job. Instead of just having a job as an employee, it's like owning a job. Same thing with self-employed. Same idea. And then you have the investors, of course, who rather than like the other 3 groups, they're all working for money. Investors have money working for them. That's what I want to do. Other people's efforts, other people's money, my money just working for me instead of me working and exchanging my time for money. Because that, my time is a limited resource. If I'm exchanging my time for my money, my skills are a limited resource, I'm only going to make so much money. I'm going to have limits and walls and all that stuff. I'm looking to tear all that down, let my money start working for me, multiplying itself, and exponentially compounding over time to build my wealth, okay, and get to a place of financial freedom. Okay, so maybe you're there too. Maybe you want to go there too with me. I'm here to take you along with me if you want to come. All right, so what is Forex? Okay, I did a whole video on what is Forex. If you want to watch it, it's fun. Go watch it. But it's the currency market. It's currency exchange. Okay, you've traded one money for another before. You went down to Mexico and you traded your dollars for pesos, or you went to Japan, you traded your dollars for yen. You're in Europe, you traded your euros for Great British Pound, and so on. Right? You change money. The exchange rates between 2 currencies vary all the time, and what Forex trading is taking advantage of that, doing it at a certain time in order that you can reap benefits from the change in value. That's it. You're trading one money for another. It is The largest financial market in the world. Okay, a lot of people are like, oh, is it stocks? Is it bonds? Is it whatever? No, it's none of that stuff. The stock market you're all familiar with. You've all heard of it. But the Forex you may not have ever heard of. 9 months ago, I didn't know what the word Forex was or what it meant. I had no concept. Most of us don't. But we've all heard of the stock market, strangely enough, because Forex is actually almost 20 times larger than the stock market. It's the largest financial market in the world. It's $5.3 trillion per day. That's a lot of dang money moving around the Forex. And the funny thing is, even though you may not know what the Forex is, you've probably been trading on the Forex most of your life if you have a bank account. Because the banks trade Forex with your money. So where do all the profits go? Do they go to you? You getting a profit sharing check every week from your bank? Probably not. You do once a year, probably get or you get interest, a guaranteed interest, 1%, 2% on your account, whatever they decide to be so generous, quote unquote, to share with you in exchange for them using your money to trade on the Forex and make themselves rich. The average bank has about 50% of their investment resources in the Forex. That's where the bulk of their money is invested, is in the foreign exchange. So awesome market, very real, very out there. But the reason you probably don't know about it is because until just a few short years ago, you probably would have never had any way to trade on the Forex. You would have had to have at least $1 million to even come to the table and trade. So it was only international banks, governments, and things like that that were trading on the Forex. That was it. Joe Schmo like you and me, not so much. Unless you had $1 million laying around that you could just go invest, right? So, but now through the power of brokerages, the internet, gathering together as a group, deregulation on a federal and international levels and things like that, this whole world of Forex trading has opened up to the average everyday person like you and me. Thanks in part to iMarketsLive, this company who plowed through a lot of barriers, regulatory and otherwise, to make this available to us. I'm so grateful. So what is iMarketsLive? Forex trading education. That's the bottom line. It's a lot more than that, but that's the general headline. Forex trading education. I call it education, tools, strategies, and mentoring. First class Forex education. Founded July 4th, 2013. So here just in a few days, we're going to hit 5 years. The 5-year birthday of iMarketsLive. July 4th is Independence Day. And as you can see there, the goal is to set people free. Independence Day, set people free. See that? See what they did there? Look at that. All right, so they're operating in over 120 countries now. They're debt-free, privately owned, no third-party services. It's all iMarketsLive stuff that they're offering. They're not reselling somebody else's stuff or whatever. Okay, so corporate leadership, you got Chris Terry, the CEO here. He is a trader, been a trader for over like 15 years. He's made over $80 million personally trading on the Forex and other financial markets. Isis De La Torre, the CFO. Alex Morton, Executive Vice President. Ivan Tapia, the Vice President of Sales. All right. What makes iMarketsLive unique versus a lot of other things that are out there? First line is the weirdest one. I'm going to explain it real quick. Results with our services are not guaranteed. That sounds like a bad thing, but actually it's a good thing, and here's why. So there's other products out there that do have guaranteed results. I mentioned a minute ago, you go to your bank, you open a checking or savings account, they're going to guarantee you, hey, we're going to pay you 1% per year. 1.5%, 2%, whatever. I don't think anybody pays over 2% interest anymore. They're going to guarantee you they'll give you 1% per year for the favor of them using your money to go make themselves rich, send their kids to college, and set themselves up for retirement. Thank you very much. Here's your 1%. Appreciate it. So that's a guaranteed result. You also get guaranteed results in other types of investments where people guarantee, hey, you give me this many dollars, I'll give you this many dollars back, you'll make this much. iMarketsLive is not that. Why is it not that, and why is that a good thing? Okay, it's not that because iMarketsLive is not doing anything with your money. Nothing. The only money that iMarketsLive has from you is your monthly membership fee, your sign-up fee, whatever. They don't have anything to do with your trading. They're not controlling your trading. They're not entering trades for you. They're not getting any piece of your profits, no percentages, no cuts, no fees, none of that stuff. Nothing to do with the money that you make. Do they have anything to do with? They don't have access to your money. You put your money in a regular private brokerage account. It's like a bank account. You know, Joe Schmo, the ragman, can't go into the bank and get into your account and take your money. Neither can iMarketsLive get into your brokerage account and take your money. Your money is always under your control. Your investments and trading are all under your control. You enter trades. You exit trades. You decide everything. And they give you the education to do it. That's their role, is the education, the mentoring, the tools, the strategies that make it all easier to master and to get good at and profitable consistently, but they don't actually do it for you. That's why results are not guaranteed. Why? Because the results are up to you ultimately. How well can you learn, acquire, master this set of skills and apply it to be profitable? That's what makes the difference. And our objective is to empower, enrich, and educate millions of customers worldwide. That's the goal, millions. So we've been around 5 years almost here, right? 5 years. The first 3 years was primarily plowing through barriers, regulatory hurdles, learning how to make this thing work legitimately, taking the power that used to be only for the big boys and putting it into the hands of normal people, putting together a foundation, a structure to build on. That was the first 3 years, okay? So 2 years ago now, at that 3-year mark, they had only 1,200 customers, 1,200 people, that's it. And now it's 2 years later, guess how many people? Almost 80,000 people now. So we went from 1,200 to 80,000 in 2 years. So now we're at 5 years, almost 80,000 people. We'll probably hit 80,000 by the 5-year birthday. Awesome. It's blowing up, spreading like wildfire. You could probably see why just from the concepts I've talked about. Taking the power that used to be only for the rich and the elite, giving it to the hands of every people and teaching them how to get good at it. That's an opportunity. And that's why people are grabbing onto it, and it's growing so fast. So, is it good? Would 80,000 people hang around and pay a monthly membership fee if it wasn't good? I'll just say that. So we'll take you step by step, help you become a consistent, profitable trader, and you don't need to have any previous trading experience. I didn't even know what the Forex was 9 months ago. Like I said, now I'm a profitable trader. I'm moving into consistently profitable, building my wealth, multiplying money, compounding my profits, reaching financial freedom. That's where I'm heading. I'd be happy if you'd come with me because I'd love to empower you and serve you and help you do that. That's I'm happy for me, but I'm more happy to help other people get there too. So IML Academy. All right, that's about the company, the opportunity in general, what is the Forex and all that kind of stuff. Here's the actual benefits of the company that you get as part of your membership. First and foremost, IML Academy. This is how you learn how to Forex trade. What is the Forex and what is a pip and what is a lot size and how to do risk management and how to do technical analysis of the charts and all the practical, the book knowledge, I call it, the head knowledge. It's a lot of facts stuck in your head. This is like college for Forex trading. So the part that's funny about it is that just like college, you can go to college, learn a ton of stuff, get an advanced degree. Let's say you get an MBA, you get a master's of business administration, you get out, you go to get a job. And the first employer at the first interview says, how much actual experience do you have? Have you worked in a business? Have you run a business? And you're like, nope, but I went to college and I know a lot of stuff. So there's definitely a benefit to that education portion. You got to have that in order to get where you're going. But it's not the practical stuff. It's the head knowledge, the book knowledge, the school know-how, okay? How do they do it? They do a bunch of videos. They're pre-recorded. They're online in an orderly way, 10-minute videos times however many videos there are in there. 60 plus videos it says. I'm sure it's significantly more than that now, but they do a basics, modules, intermediate modules, advanced modules. They really walk you through it step by step if you know nothing about Forex trading, and they walk you right in, okay? Multiple languages, basic to advanced. As I said, you're learning from expert traders, not just market theorists. So sometimes in college you have professors who, like in a business course, since we're talking about business course, you might have a business professor who has never actually run or owned a business or been successful in business, but those who can't do, teach, So they've gone out there, learned a bunch of concepts, they went to college for business, and then they took college courses on education, became a professor, they've been teaching their whole life, but they've never actually been successful in business. That is not the case with IML Academy. You're talking about actual traders that are educating you. A lot of them are 6-figure earning traders per year, 7-figure earning traders per year, successful Forex traders teaching you how to do it in the academy. That's the book knowledge. Boom. Oh, while we're on that topic, you can actually go get an education like this elsewhere, but you can do like a weekend workshop for like $5,000 to $10,000. If you have that kind of money laying around, you want to go do it in a weekend? Sure, that's one way to do it. Or there's bigger packages, $10,000, $25,000, and $50,000 Forex trading education packages out there. They exist, and we actually have one of the instructors from the $25,000 and $50,000 Forex school. He's now become a part of iMarketsLive, and he says our IML Academy and our online mentoring has more content than their $50,000 package. And when you see what we're charging for ours, you're going to be like, what? I mean, because if it's worth $5,000 or $10,000 for a weekend to master this skill, it's a pretty valuable skill. You can see, you'll see over time why people would actually pay $5,000 or $10,000 for a weekend, or $25,000 or $50,000 for a course in this. But then when you see what we charge by comparison, you're going to be like, that's crazy. So that's the value of the education. Then you get the swing trades. Swing trades is basically a series of videos. You get periodic videos from our CEO. They're not like pre-recorded or anything. He sends them out like that day to you by email. He analyzes some charts, tells you where he sees the market going, what might be a good opportunity. You can enter it if you want to. Again, he's made over $80 million personally trading on the financial markets, so pretty knowledgeable, pretty good videos, pretty valuable videos. All right, SwipeTrades. I did a whole video on SwipeTrades. I did a whole video on the IML Academy. SwipeTrades is your first baby steps into actual trading once you've taken the head knowledge part, right? The book knowledge. SwipeTrades is just copy and paste trading. So you still don't really have to know much, right? No experience needed. Replicate trades from our experts in seconds. What does that mean? All right. So we have a team of 5 professional traders on the SwipeTrades team. They do all the hard work. They go through all the charts, they analyze all the charts, they mark them all up, find the good trades, the highest probability trades, they send them to you on an app on your phone. You get a notification, you check it, you copy and paste 3 numbers, sometimes only 2. You copy and paste 3 numbers from the SwipeTrades app into your trading app, you hit enter, boom. You're now in a trade that was analyzed by professional traders, and these guys have a 70% accuracy rate on the trades they call. Think about what that could mean for you. Think about that. You got professional traders that know what they're doing, sending you trades. They're 70% accurate. It comes to your phone. It literally takes about 30 seconds to copy and paste 3 numbers and hit enter. That's it. Receive trade alerts. Copy and paste. It gives you all the stop loss, entry point, take profit points, and you can supplement your income. It takes very little time. There's about 10 or 15 of these a week. Like I said, it takes about 30 seconds to enter a trade. So you're talking 10, 20, maybe 30 minutes a week. Spread out whenever you can squeeze it in, you know, your bathroom break, your lunch break, your evening, your morning, whenever you have time to squeeze in a 30-second trade. You know, if you're so busy you can't squeeze in a 30-second trade, then that's all the more reason you need this, so that you can get a little bit more financially free and have a little more time on your hands, right? So that's SwipeTrades, copy and paste trading, no brainer. All right? Some people, that's all they want to do. They don't want to invest a bunch of time learning. They don't want to master the skill set. They don't want to use all the other tools and analysis and all that stuff, the mentoring. They don't want to do anything. They just want to copy and paste some trades, make another side income. You can certainly do that. But for those of you that want to move on, there's some more additional tools and benefits. Web Analyzer. I did a whole video on the Web Analyzer as well. This is a software that runs on the internet, on a browser. You just access it by a browser with your membership identification credentials. You get on there. This thing is scanning the charts 24/7, all the Forex charts. It finds high probability trade entries, buys, sells, whatever. And it gives you a notification sound when it finds one. Ka-ching! Sounds like a cash register. You look at it. If you want to enter the trade, you enter the trade. This thing gives you 50 to 100 of these trade notifications per day. So it's way more trades than you would ever want to enter. So you're going to want to apply a strategy. Like it says, combine with your trading strategy to catch higher probability trades confidently. So you're not going to want to take all those trades. It's software. It's not person, so it doesn't have the human element. So you want to apply some kind of strategy to that to find the best ones of those trades, and you can enter those. This is great for people that are around their computer a lot. Like if you're at your job, you're sitting in front of a computer, you can have it in another tab on your browser, and if it makes the ka-ching sound, you flip over, do I want to enter this trade? Okay, 30 seconds, boom, enter the trade, done, back to your work. Or if you're home a lot, stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, you can just crank the volume on your computer, you hear ka-ching, say, hold on, little ones, I'm going to go enter a trade real quick. You come over here, you apply your strategy for a few seconds. Does it look good? All right, enter the trade, 30 seconds, boom, back to changing diapers, making breakfast, dinner, you know, clean the house, whatever it is that you do at home. Maybe you work from home, and you can just run a tab in the background. Nobody can tell you can't. So Web Analyzer, and this is a great scalping tool, getting little bits of pips. It's not for long-term moves so much. It's little bits of pips. You pile them up over the course of a day and end up with a not so little pile by the end of the day, ideally. So that's the web analyzer. Oh. The creator of the web analyzer software asked an institutional president or something like a bank president or something along those lines, and because he said they have a similar tool for their institutional traders, the professional bank traders. They have a very similar tool to the web analyzer. Stephen Hooley, our guy, asked them, so how does ours compare to yours? And this executive said, it's basically the same exact thing. It's just more easy and accessible for the average person. And they spent hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe even millions, to make their tool for the institutional world. That's how valuable this tool can be. And this executive says, we have the same thing. It's just easier. So yeah, pretty good tool. Awesome benefit of the package. What would you pay for that? All right. Harmonic Scanner. This is hands down my favorite tool, the Harmonic Scanner, because it's the most accurate in its calls of trades. It's also a software. It runs on a website. Again, another tab on your browser. You sign in with your credentials. You just look. Are there any scans available? What is a scan? Back in the 70s, it was discovered there are certain patterns to the way the market moves. And when these certain harmonic patterns appear, the next thing the market will do becomes highly, highly predictable. So this Harmonic Scanner does all the hard work. Back in those days, you had to go in there, look at all the 20 whatever major Forex charts, and then more if you wanted to add some exotic pairs. You had to find and search and scan with your eyes for all these patterns, draw them on there, do mathematical calculations. I don't know about you, I don't like math, and I don't like all that work. I like computers that do all the work for me. So the Harmonic Scanner does that 24/7. This thing scans all the Forex charts, find the highest probability trades in the whole Forex market, gives them right to you. Boom, just like that. This thing has an 89% accuracy rate. That's unbeatable. I don't know any other tool that's that accurate. So pretty much unbeatable, right? 89%. 11% of the time on average it's wrong. Depends on the pattern and that kind of thing. It varies a little bit, but as a whole, 89% accurate in its call trades. What would you pay for that thing? How would you think that'd be valuable if you can make money with a tool like that? I can. If you were to go buy this tool on the outside world, $5,000 just to buy that software. Or if you didn't want to spend the $5,000, you could pay a membership just for that one tool. It's around $150 a month. Pretty valuable tool, worth it. But if you could get that and a lot of other things for around that price, or it's probably a better deal. So the Harmonic Scanner, love it. iMarketsLive. Okay, I love iMarketsLive TV because for me, IML TV puts the whole package together and makes it make sense and makes it practical and where the rubber meets the road. What do I mean? So you do the IML Academy, you get all the book knowledge, all the head knowledge, a bunch of concepts in your head, like the kid in college, right? You're all the way up to graduation there. Awesome. You still have no experience. Then we hand you the best tools. The SwipeTrades team, 70% accurate. The web analyzer with all those things you add strategies on, you pile up pips. We give you the Harmonic Scanner, 89% accurate. It gives you the stop loss, the entry point, the take profit points. You make your choice, you enter the trade. Daily swing trades videos from our CEO who's made over $80 million trading. As you can see, lots of awesome tools, strategies, education. But you at this point have no experience. Just like that kid that's graduating college. You have some great knowledge, haven't learned how to apply it yet. So for me, iMarketsLive TV, IML TV, is how you really get the practical application and how you put it all together. This is live interactive online mentoring. So you go to a website, you sign in. There's over 50 or 60 instructors, over 120 hours per week of programming available on here. It's like TV, trading TV. Think of it that way. 7 days a week, all the time there's stuff going on here. On various topics, various tools, various strategies, whatever. You find the ones that you gravitate towards, their personality, their trading style, the tool that they're using, whatever it is that makes you gravitate toward them, and they will help you master the skills of trading. They help you take that book knowledge, the tools, the strategies, all the how-to, the by the numbers, all the notes and stuff that you've taken, and turn it into practical experience and knowledge and real money. Ideally, right? You learn how to do the skill, master it, and do it right, you make money. So on these programs, there's a chat box. You can ask questions, you can get answers, you watch them trade, they're analyzing charts, you're picking up all of their trading analysis skills and their trader's mindset. They're getting rid of greed, getting rid of impatience, not being emotional, not being greedy, being consistent in your lot sizes, using good risk management, all their traders' mindset stuff and their skills, their practical technical skills you're picking up while they're also calling trades. Like, remember the SwipeTrades guys, right? They send those trades to your phone. If you got on IML TV, a lot of the mentors actually, as they're analyzing charts, if they see a hot opportunity, they just call it out right there on IML TV. There's another trade you can get in and make more money. There's really so many ways to make money here in iMarketsLive, but for me, IML TV puts it all together, turns it from head knowledge into practical knowledge and actual trading skills. So, and then you got training and support, imltrain.com/results. You can go see like the results of the SwipeTrades for the past year or whatever, see all the trades they win, lose, draw, all that stuff. You can see 70% accurate. I don't remember what else is on there. Honestly, there's a lot of training videos. The corporate app, you have 7-figure earning mentorship calls with 7-figure earning traders to up your skills on top of the IML TV stuff. So, how can you get started? Right? You've heard all the stuff, all the money-making opportunities, tools, strategies, mentoring, education, and you're like, enough already. I get it. I want it. How do I do it? Or you're like, well, let me wait to see if I want it before to hear the price tag first. Okay, so here's the price tag. Here's how it works. Okay, so first, here's what you get in the package, the basic platinum package. You get IML Academy. You get the orderly book knowledge instruction, all those videos. Then you get IML TV, the live interactive mentoring. You get the Harmonic Scanner, my personal favorite tool, 89% accurate, hands down the best tool I know of in Forex trading. Then daily swing trades videos from the CEO, Christopher Terry. That's all what you get in the basic package. Then there are 2 add-ons. And those add-ons are, why is it not moving? All right, the 2 add-ons are SwipeTrades, the copy and paste trading, and the web analyzer, the first web-based software that looks for potential entries. You apply a strategy, make money. SwipeTrades is the copy and paste trading where you copy and paste trades from professional traders. For me, all beginners should get SwipeTrades at a minimum. Some beginners should also get the web analyzer, just depending on your lifestyle and if that's going to be a tool that's going to suit your lifestyle and your trading style. Okay, so back to the main package here. Here's the price. $217.19 one time, boom. That gets you in, covers your first month of the package of all these things here. Then $161.50 a month, $161.50 a month for the base package. Don't leave yet, don't get scared. I'm going to tell you how you can get it for free. I'm going to tell you a bunch of other stuff. So just hang around, don't freak out on me, all right? $161.50 a month, or if you get those add-ons, then you add that in. So I would add SwipeTrades at a minimum. You're like $176.50 a month right there. So just round it, call it 175 bucks. Okay. If you add the web analyzer too, then you're at 191.50. Okay. So you're between 161 and 191-ish dollars range per month, but you paid $220 up front to get in and to pay for your first month. So $160 to $190 can be scary. When I joined, I was like, there's no way in heck I'm going to do that. I was living paycheck to paycheck, one big bill to the next big bill. I'm like, I cannot afford that. There's no stinking way. And I stayed away from this opportunity actually for a while, but I had 3, 4, 5, 6 friends that were in already, and I'd see them always talking about it. I'd talk to them about the results they're getting, the money they're making. And I finally said, look, I got to try something because what I'm doing now is not doing it. My situation is not going to get any better by me doing nothing and hoping to find some magic free thing that's not going to cost me any money, but it's going to pay me a bunch of money and get me out of my financial situation and get me to a new financial place. I just finally realized that's not going to happen. If I'm going to change, I got to change what I'm doing. I got to do something different and try something. Get out the boat and go walk on water. You know what I mean? Go try something. Take a leap of faith, whatever terminology you want to use. I just decided I had to go for it. So I did. And there's a way to get your monthly membership free, which I did within 3 weeks. So I've never paid a monthly membership. All I paid was the $220, and that's it. And you've seen the dollar values of all these things, right? You remember $5,000 or $10,000 for a weekend workshop, $25,000 or $50,000 for a full education package, $5,000 for a Harmonic Scanner, hundreds of $1,000s spent to make something like the web analyzer, videos from your CEO, copy and paste professional trades from professional traders that you can make money on. How many of you think that you can make at least $160 or $190 a month to cover your membership, even if you don't want to get the free membership, even if you just want to pay for it. I do. I think you can. I'm not guaranteeing you. I'm not promising you. I'm not promising you're going to get rich or any other thing. Okay, you go watch my trading disclaimers video in this Forex Trade 30 series. Hashtag Forex Trade 30 video series we've been doing. Go watch it. So, but how can you get it for free? Boom. 2 for free. This is how you get your membership free. So all you paid was the $220 to get in. You do this here, and it's free. What is it? You get 2 people to join. Just 2 people. Not 2 people every month. 2 people, one time. You get them in as long as they stay paying customers. As long as you have 2 paying customers in iMarketsLive that you signed up, your membership is free. That's pretty crazy. They say, I don't know about that. I don't want to recruit, whatever. That's fine. You don't have to recruit anybody. You can pay for your monthly membership fee. You can learn to trade. You could probably make more money than that if you know what you're doing. If you listen, you'll I mean, again, I can't promise you, but I'm just saying I make enough to pay for my membership. Let's just look at that. And then some. So, but I don't have to pay my membership anyway because I did this. I did to get 2 people to join for free. In my first 3 weeks, I got like 3 people to join, so I've never had to pay the monthly fee. So you say, I don't know who would do this. I don't know. You'd be surprised. There's a lot of people out there, especially since you are watching this video. If you've been watching this video, you're interested in creating another stream of income. You're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, one big bill to the next, wanting to get to a new financial freedom place in your life. The chances are, if that's you, that you also know other people that are in that same position. Why? Because birds of a feather flock together. You're the combined average of the 5 people you hang around with most, it's been said. So chances are, if you're wanting to do something like this and make more money, you know somebody else who is. That's the bottom line. So you throw the opportunity out there. Don't make any promises. You just tell them, hey, it's an educational opportunity to master a skill set, trading on the financial markets that you can make money with for the rest of your life potentially. And if they're smart, they'll look at the same stuff that you're looking at and they'll say, heck yeah, let's do it. So you get 2 people to do that. You don't have to pay the monthly fee. That's the bottom line. So there it is. That's iMarketsLive. That's the membership package. You've been waiting all this time, so when's it going to get to the punchline? How much does it cost and all that stuff? You've been waiting for 26, 27 days now. Today's day 27 of this video series. How much does all this cost? You know, it sounds good, but it's going to cost $1,000, $20,000, whatever. But no, $220 and a monthly membership fee of between $161 and $191. Unless you get 2 people to join, then that's free. Boom. You keep all your trading profits. Nobody else gets it. Nobody else gets a chunk of the pie. You don't get to keep a part of those 2 people you get to join's money. They sign up, and that's that. So you've already seen a bunch of different ways to make money with iMarketsLive. Between, you get the IML Academy education, swing trade videos from the CEO, web analyzer, Harmonic Scanner, SwipeTrades, copy and paste trading from professional traders, and IML TV to help you master it all, and they're calling trades out. So you're actually learning while you earn, earning while you learn. You're not just getting handed free fish like trade signals. You're getting handed free fish, but you're also being taught how to fish so that you can fish for yourself for the rest of your life and make money for yourself and not have to rely on other traders and their analysis. You could do your own. So, but there's something for everybody. You want to do any of that? You want to come in? You want to do the copy and paste trading and just have another stream of income potentially? You can certainly do that too. That's an option. So, a bunch of different things you can do. We can personalize it for you. I'll help walk you through it. I'm here to serve you. I'm glad I'm on this path toward financial freedom, and I'm happy for me and happy for my wife and kids because of that. But what would make me happier is to get more people receiving the same benefits that I'm receiving. So that's why I'm here. That's why I've been presenting these videos. And with all the ways to make money, you're not even going to do them all. You're going to find the ones that fit you best and use those, master those, and make money on those. But besides all those, there's one more way to make money with iMarketsLive, and I'm going to tell you about that one tomorrow. So it's kind of a different topic in a way. It's related, but it's different. So this is all about the trading. You learn the trading skills. You use our tools, our strategies, get the mentoring, walk from knowing nothing into becoming a successful, consistently profitable Forex trader. That's the goal. That's what it's about. $220 and between $100 to get in and to pay your first month, and then $161 to $191 a month. That's it. Boom. That's the deal. All right, so that was 27 videos, guys. We're almost there. 3 more videos to go. Tune in for the remaining 3. You'll be glad you did. I hope you're glad you did this one. If you have questions, you want to learn more about this now that you've heard almost the whole thing put together in one video, you probably want to know more. Drop me some questions privately or in the comments. Hit like, hit love, hit share. If you know some friends that might be interested in this, maybe you can get them interested before you even sign up. Then the second you sign up, you sign them up, you get your membership free from the get-go. That's the best way to do it. All right, and this video would be a great way for them to get exposed to the opportunity and what it's about. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a lot out of it. Looking forward to working with you and to serving you and to helping you, walking you into this thing, man. I'm excited. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for me. Let's do this. All right. Have a happy Wednesday night and a great remainder of the week. Join me for the last 3 videos, though. Don't forget. See you tomorrow. Peace. Bye-bye now.